What's up, you guys? So I am back with another video for the channel. This video is not about any hair tutorial, but it's about me just sitting down talking about natural hair. Okay, so if you like those type of videos, do give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure I like this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure go ahead and do so. Okay guys, so today I will be talking about natural hair and how to make natural hair flourish. So yes, this is my hair at its best. Guys, let me tell you something. Creating a natural hair channel, it teach me a lot of things. I've learned so much just by creating this channel. I really thought doing natural hair videos, it would be to teach others how to take care of their natural hair, but actually getting inspired, I'm actually learning while creating these natural hair videos. I've learned, guys, throughout this month, I've learned that little is a lot when it comes to natural hair. You don't need a lot of products. Yes, you heard it right from the girl who used to use 3 to 4 products in her hair. Salad gel and also my Dady gel. So those, oh, and not forgetting my Frizz Patrol setting mousse by Aunt Jackie's. From that same girl who used to mix gel together. I'll be using this as my base, and then I will be putting the Eco Styler gel over it. You don't need all of that, guys. And what opened my eyes was when one of my supporters told me that you don't even need to be doing all of that. And I'll go ahead and I'll insert her comment right here. Yes, and that opened my eyes, guys. And I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and try to do that one product video, and that was my last video that I did. I'll go ahead and insert it up above. And from the time I did that video, guys, I see that the one product is enough for me. I don't know about you guys, but one product is enough for me and for my natural hair. So I'll go ahead and I'll advise you, I'll encourage you to go ahead and to use one product on your hair and see if it works for you. But I'm here today to tell you that it worked for me, and I love the way how my hair is looking. I love the way how my hair is feeling. My hair feels fluffy, really fluffy, guys, and my hair feels really soft. My hair has body. You know, first when I would do my wash and go, and after the hair would dry, it didn't have no body. I find it was beautiful, but it didn't have no body. For example, it would remain stiff. There, my curls are not stiff. My curls are fluffy, bouncy, juicy looking. I am loving it, guys. And that one product that I use, I'm gonna rave about that gel again. And that gel, that one product is the Dady gel. Let me tell you something. If you haven't yet tried that gel, please go ahead and do so. I know that is a gel that is very hard to find, especially if you're living in the States. It is very hard to find, but a lot of my supporters told me that they found it on Amazon. So go ahead, head on over to Amazon and try to order that gel, guys, and try it out, because that gel is everything. That gel gives you definition, as you can see in my hair. Guys, this is second day hair. I did my hair yesterday. When it dried, I put it up in a pineapple. The evening I slept on it. I went to work with it. My hairstyle for work was all the way up in a high ponytail, because I live in the Caribbean island. I live in St. Martin, and the place is really hot, so I cannot leave my hair out like this when I'm going to work, because I would just sweat and it would be really hot for me. So I had my hair up in a ponytail, in a high ponytail, and as I reached home I took down my hair. As you guys can see, the curls are well still defined, the curls are popping. Go and get you some Dady gel, guys, because what I love about this gel, it's really soft and it's moisturizing. It does not give the hair like a cast. It does not stiffen your curls. This gel is just the bomb. I love it, and I want you guys to go ahead and try it out. Try the Dady gel. And yeah, coming back to what I was saying, less is more when it comes to natural hair. Also, a lot of my subscribers ask me what shampoo do I use, what conditioner do I use. I keep it simple, guys, and I love to remain affordable. So I use the VO5, the coconut one. I love the coconut one. I love the smell. It is the moisturizing one. So I'll go ahead and I'll insert that right here. So the shampoo I use, the conditioner I use, once a month, I repeat, once a month I go ahead and I deep condition my hair. I love to use Aunt Jackie's product to deep condition my hair. I'll go ahead and I'll insert it here as well for you guys to see. And yes, I keep it simple. I shampoo my hair, I condition my hair, and once a month I deep condition the hair. I know it is good for the hair to be washed every week because, as I mentioned in a lot of my videos, water is a moisturizer and it's good when you wash your hair once a week. But I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I cannot wash my hair once a week. It has sometimes I go on 2 weeks. I'm gonna be real with you. You have sometimes I just go on 3 weeks. I'm a wife. I am a mom of 2. I have a full-time job, so sometimes it's really difficult to maintain that once a week wash day. But nevertheless, I still try my best with my hair. I love to deep condition my hair. I love when my hair feels really soft and looking shiny and moisturized. But the gel, guys, that Dady gel is the bomb. You guys should try it. I love my Eco Styler gel, the clear one, but I'm putting that one to the side for now. Probably I'll go back to it, but for now I'm putting the Eco Styler gel to the side. I'm no longer mixing it with the Dady gel. I'm going Dady gel all out, from roots to tips. Dady gel, one product. So guys, I hope this video was really helpful, and my next video, of course, I'll be bringing to you some tutorials. What I did, this is a wash and go, but what I did finger coils. Like how I mentioned, I'm busy, I'm a mom, I have a full-time job, I'm a wife, so I couldn't sit down and do those little finger curls like how I love to do. So I did some big finger curls, guys. So yeah, this is the results of my big finger curls, and I didn't separate them. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do like it, do give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and stick with me, guys, because I'll be bringing you some more natural inspirational videos. Bye.